Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Actually, halos lahat naman nagawa mo na. Para lamang ma-please yung ex mo at para lang mapabalik. So, you really tried your best just to please your ex and you just lower your own standard para lang makapag-adjust sa anumang uri ng kasalanan ng ex mo. But still, you're always willing to accept him or her. You become a person who he wanted to be. Kasi nagbago ka para lang sa kanya. But the problem is, he is no longer the same person anymore. Maaring ikaw nga yung tao nagbago para balikan niya, pero hindi naman siya yung tao na gusto pa niya yung standard na meron siya dati. Because everything has been changed noong nagkaroon na ng breakup. And she or he lost his whole interest para lamang mapabalik ka. So because of that, it remains question to your mind na kung kailan naman willing ako magbago and change and give everything that I have para lang sa tao na to, then that is also the time na parang mas lalo ako na manipula, mas lalo ako nahihirapan. And because of that suffering, you suffered a lot that you don't want to happen. And now you are thinking, parang paano pa ba ibabalik ito or paano pa i-fix ang lahat? Ngayon nakapag-iwalay na kami ng ex ko, it looks like it doesn't have a way for that. But as I said, meron pa naman no contact rule at meron pa namang ibang diskarte just to get your ex back. But the problem is, minsan hindi na pagbabalik ng ex ang gusto mo mangyari. Ang gusto mo na lang mangyari is yung kahit paano man lang is makaramdam siya ng pagsisisi. And that becomes the main goal in your mind na kailangan niya magsisi no matter what will happen. Kailangan niya magsisi, kailangan niya manghinayang. Well, for me, ang only way para manghinayang siya at magsisi sa'yo is depende kung naging faithful ka ba sa kanya. Naging maayos ka bang partner sa kanya. Did you become the right partner for him or for her? Kasi if you think na you gave your best shot, you gave everything that you have for him or for her, then that will be the time that you need to understand na in the end, pag dumating na ang dulo, kung alam mo sa sarili mo na binigay mo ang best mo sa kanya, then there's something sa side niya na kailangan niyang panghinayangan. And that is you. You are the real prize pagdating dito. But the problem is you don't realize how valuable you are because you are looking for recognition and validation from your ex. And everything becomes more worse and worse and worse because of that validation. So, what I can say, simple lang. Kung alam mo binigay mo ang best mo sa relasyon, then don't feel guilty, don't feel sad. Huwag ka masyado nagsisisi, huwag ka masyadong masaktan. I want to remind you na that's fine, that's okay. No matter what will happen, there's no reason for you to feel doubt about what is happening. There's no reason for you to feel down. Kasi alam mo naman na binigay mo yung best mo eh. Kahit yun lang, sapat na. You don't need to worry about everything or anything. Just remember that you gave your very best. In the end, alam mo sa sarili mo, binigay mo ang best mo. Kaya kahit huwag mo nang abangan or panoorin yung araw ng pagsisisi niya, I will give you the guarantee na if you gave your best, then there's a reason for him to regret. Merong rason para magsisi at manghinayang yan sa dulo. Kasi ikaw yung tao na you gave your best, but you're done right now. Anyways, if you're still asking if there's still a chance for getting your ex back or anything like that, give us a message sa Philippine Dating Coach so we can have the best one-on-one coaching. Thanks for watching.